C'est reparti. Ah, encore ça. Allez. Par contre, on ressemble à rien. Si on peut aller se tailler la barbe un peu là.
Maybe today will be better.
Ouais. Du coup, c'est le nouveau camp. Ouais, salut.
Starting to wish we'd stayed on Guam.
I didn't leave them here, Morgan. I swear it.
How soon?
Long day ahead.
On était dans une géante baraque, on finit dans des marécages. Une horreur. Une horreur. S'il pouvait un peu plus s'activer là, parce que j'ai pas que ça à foutre.
It's good to see you again, despite the circumstances.
You too. But what do we do next?
Ça c'est censé être...
How are you? I guess
Par là.
I'm
Good to see
alright.
you again, Karen. Where's Molly, by the way?
Quasi d'armes.
Nobody's-
Huh. Okay.
Je peux pas me raser.
Watch yourself, Karen.
Dormir. Puis je me rase pas, je ressemblerai à un
Ouais, bah.
clochard jusqu'au bout. Pas grave.
Not so good.
Hello, Karen.
Étudier, je vais étudier le chien.
Let's hope for a good day.
You okay, boy?
Et c'est quoi ce chien tout éclaté là?
You okay, Abigail?
What are we gonna do? We can't stay here.
Ouais.
I know.
Donc carte. Alors Dutch ou il y avait autre chose. On va se faire défoncer ici. Bon, je vais faire Dutch en vrai.
I'll speak to Dutch.
Morning, Arthur.
Reverend, it's good to see you again.
You
Pour
too.
une fois qu'il
Good
est
to
pas
see you
arraché
again.
lui.
A real mess.
On a vraiment perdu beaucoup de monde par contre. Hein.
You okay there?
Working it all out. Once and for all, Arthur.
What now?
We're back, and I'm sitting here, and I am contemplating the great journey of the sun and considering a famous chess move. Those oily enactors of a mediocre justice, the Pinkertons, and their benefactor, the depressing millionaire Leviticus Cornwall, they want us, Arthur. They want us. And they are going to have us.
Maybe they ain't the problem.
Meaning?
I don't know, it's just... Well, I can't help but feel we would have been better running off someplace else.
But the game ain't over, Arthur. I mean,
Il
I
a
ain't,
pété
I
les
ain't
plombs,
played
je l'ai toujours dit.
my
Hein.
final move, but
I guess I'm more interested in saving lives than winning at chess.
and maybe life ain't such a thing to cling on to so tightly.
No doubt. What about the women?
You sound like Hosea. I miss him.
I asked you a question.
What do you think?
We can't stay here. That much is obvious. Where are we gonna run to? I mean, they chased us from the west. They chased us over the mountains. They ran us into the sea.
Arthur, do you have my back?
Always, Dutch. But there's more than your back to worry about. We need more money. We've been on the run for months now, and I seen you killing folk in cold blood like you always told me not to. And I'm sorry, but I can't help but think that if we just...
There is country in Roanoke Ridge past Butcher Creek. I
Toujours dans la
believe we
merde.
could hold.
Il va nous-
Okay.
You and Charles, you
La
can take
mine
folks
qu'on
up
a,
that
par
way.
contre, on est un
Micah.
zombie. C'est quoi ça?
And I need to do some reconnaissance. I ain't got a
Je me
final
reconnais
plan
pas, hein.
yet. Arthur, I ain't got it. I just need time. I need time and no traitors.
Pour la gueule connard. On est tout pâle. Mais Psart avec la coupe. Hein. En vrai. Ça va. Alors. Qui est-ce déjà? Charles, ah oui.
Charles, be right with me.
Mais où est Abdel? C'est bien beau, hein.
Up past Butcher Creek.
Smurfy Brute Country.
That's why I'm asking you to ride with me.
I understand. What are we doing there?
We're looking for a place to hole up. Even the law won't follow us up there too willingly.
Yeah.
Pourquoi
I
il
did
court
some
plus vite que moi
scouting
là?
there while you boys were away.
And?
Pourquoi cet Indien court plus vite que moi? Je vais péter mon crâne.
We'll see.
Il y a Abdel là-bas.
I know the way. Follow me.
Il est là. Comment il va?
Mount up then. It's a fair ride from here.
Ouais, attends. Hop,
I thought we
et
were
voilà.
leaving now.
Remember me, boy?
Il est précis lui.
We need to get this done fast. Pinkertons will have reinforced in another day or two.
Yeah. The sooner we get out of here, the better. It's quite a ride up there. I saw some canoes near the bridge upriver, which would take us right up to Butcher Creek. Might be quicker. What do you think? You still with me there?
Ouais.
I say we just ride it. It ain't worth messing around with boats.
Okay, sure.
It's good to see you again, Charles.
You too.
Thanks for what you did in Saint Denis. Real brave drawing them off us like that. I was worried you and Abigail had both got yourselves killed.
I found a spot to lie low for a while, then managed to get a ride with a wagon of workers heading out to the fields. Abigail said she somehow managed to slip away when they grabbed Hosea.
You did good getting the others out of there. Keeping everyone together.
Everybody was pretty shaken up when I got back to Shady Belle. It was a tough few days. I couldn't have done it without Sadie.
So how did you find that spot back there? I assume the skulls on sticks weren't an addition of yours.
Old Strauss knew about it. The locals are terrified of the place, so we figured that might buy us some time. And it did. Until one of you brought the law with you. Where did you end up again? Cuba?
Oh, not exactly. An island off of there called Warma. Landed ourselves in a heap of trouble.
Really? A tropical island? Isn't that just what Dutch wanted?
I guess it didn't exactly live up to his ideals. Anyway, I ain't always sure Dutch knows what he wants anymore.
Perhaps not. But he's always managed to figure things out in the past.
I know. Yeah, you're right. Just... It's been... Guess I just miss Hosea and his wisdom, you know?
Of course.
Ouais. Pauvre. Pauvre océan.
There's the bridge.
Faut qu'on le fasse sauter. On est où? Là, je sens qu'il y aura un trappeur ici. C'est là où je pourrais
not much
vendre
further now.
les bêtes un peu.
So, I spent some time up this way
Légendaire
while
que
you
j'ai
were
pu tuer.
gone. I ran into Rainsfall and Eagle Flies, the Indians. And I've been trying to help out a bit where I can at the reservation. Things are bad there.
That's not a surprise. They seem to be in a lot of trouble, heading into more.
Some men there spoke a lot about the Murphy gang that hides out in these caves. A place called Beaver Hollow. They're animals. everyone is terrified of them. Just recently, a stagecoach from Annisburg disappeared without a trace coming through here.
Great. Dutch didn't mention this.
Well, hiding up here, it's not a crazy idea. This is a spot nobody comes near, even the law. But just be ready. It won't be pretty.
Well, so be it.
You see that up ahead? Slow down, keep it quiet. It could be some of them.
Oula.
I say we dismount here and follow them on foot. See where they're going. Follow me, stay quiet. Let's get closer to him.
J'ai mon arc, ça veut dire qu'on va peut-être l'utiliser.
Come on, up this way. Definitely Murphy's. I say we deal with them from here. You take one, I'll take the other.
Why do I always gotta do the carrying?
Because I do the skinning.
Well, how about I do the skinning?
Then who do the carrying?
Here is some...
Dog spit! Damn it, they're onto us. That was close. We must be close now. Let's stop and have a look from the top of this hill there.
J'ai une machette. Attends, j'ai plus mon... Non. Mais ils ont pas d'armes. Ils sont qu'avec des... Mais c'est qui ces hommes préhistoriques là?
Okay. Let's see what's going on.
That's the stagecoach went missing.
Jesus.
Wesh.
They must be in the cave. All right. Let's get on with this.
Et c'est qui?
Good.
Qui font ces rituels là?
We can head into the cave or
C'est
flush some
Clando là
dynamite.
qui...
Let's surprise them in there.
Okay. Let's get a little closer. Ready? Let's get this over with.
Ah, le problème dynamite, je sais qu'elle en avait pris.
See that? Someone's coming out of the cave. I'll keep watch. You deal with that one in the entrance. Quietly. Are you dealing with him?
Ah oui, merde, chier. Mais c'est qui ceux-là? Attends, parce que... Honnêtement, là... Wesh! Ah, par contre, la dynamite, on aurait pu toutes les tuer, hein, ou ça les aurait enfermés. Je vais mettre un point ici parce que ça a l'air très mystérieux.
Another one up ahead. You got this one? Done. Let's go.
Ils sont malades. Mais où je suis? Où je suis? je peux plus bouger. Oh, ça va refaire la mission. Ah, ça va refaire la mission. Je sais pas où. Je savais même pas que. J'avais même pas vu le point rouge en fait.
Let's get this over with.
Oh non, flemme. Oh non. Ah, y a un mec qui se rapproche. Je sais que je dois le tuer.
Someone's coming out of the cave.
Ah, j'ai pas compris là. Je
I'll
passais au
keep
mauvais
watch.
endroit, je pense.
You deal with that one in the entrance.
Je pensais que c'était lui, moi.
Quietly.
Il s'en fout vraiment. En vrai, il s'en fout. Ouais. C'est quoi ça? Regarde-nous ça. Il est taré. C'est quoi là?
Someone's down the... He's alive! Intruder!
Looks like he's on there. Let's move on.
Okay, Arthur?
You were wrong about these crazy sons of bitches.
Keep them back, damn it!
Il vise bien ce connard. Hein.
They got someone locked up in that cage!
You want the gold, do you? You can join me.
Oui. Ah ouais, j'ai... Il a pas voulu tirer. Je suis dégoûté. Si c'est dehors, je...
Let's get this over with.
Je pense que je vais mettre une dynamite ou je vais faire un truc parce que je... Si ça continue, je sais même pas ce que j'ai là en fait. Il faut que je vois. J'ai que ça. J'en ai marre. Voilà.
We've got visitors, boys!
Looks like it's on there, Charles.
Et merde, je crois qu'ils sont... Eh, c'est réaliste, hein? Ouais, venez. Un par un, c'est la meilleure solution. Allez. Ouais, pas le succès en or. Ah mais c'est nul en vrai, c'est trop facile. Ah, c'est trop facile.
Okay, you were wrong about these crazy sons of bitches.
Ils sont complètement... Ils sont pas tous morts hein. ça.
Only way he's leaving here is in peace.
Charles, see any more?
Wesh.
Let's get that poor girl out of the
Wesh, ils sont vraiment fous par contre ici.
It's okay.
Ah, je suis dégoûté de pas avoir pu faire la mission comme il fallait.
You're safe. It's okay. Come on. It's time to go. It's okay.
Elle va nous planter, on va rien comprendre.
Okay. Let's go.
Attends, je peux pas checker les lieux.
Where you from?
Annisburg.
What do we do with her?
Take her there and I'll go get the others.
Sure. Miss, you okay to ride on my horse a little? I'll keep you safe.
Wesh, les dents jaunes. Ah, le mec il m'a planté à la machette.
Annisburg, right?
Yes.
Je l'ai senti dans la vraie vie. Hein.
It's okay, miss.
The others, they killed them.
You're safe now. Just try to breathe.
They're animals.
Ah, j'ai vu ça, ils sont fous.
Yep. It's all right, miss.
La pauvre.
Some folks is just evil. Ain't no point trying to explain it.
I haven't slept in days.
I know. What's your name, miss? It's okay.
Meredith.
You're gonna be home soon, Meredith. And this'll all be over.
Thank you.
Where in Annisburg?
One of the mining cottages. If you get me to the main street, I can show you from there.
Okay. Just try to relax now.
Ah, y a pas les indigènes qui veulent qui me poursuivent. Ouais, y a une arme. C'est une armurerie.
Just head for the main street. It'll be easier to walk from there.
Hi there, mister. Hey, partner. Hey there.
Morning there.
Miss.
Oh. Oh. Thank God.
Which place is yours?
Up at the top of the hill. It's near the blacksmith.
Come on now.
Ma! Ma! Meredith! She's alive! Oh, she's alive!
You saw some pretty bad things, I'm afraid, ma'am. Murphy Brood got
Oh,
it.
my darling. How did you manage
I
to?
just ran into them and found her.
Oh, thank you. Here, let me give you this.
Refusé.
Oh, that's okay, ma'am. You just keep her warm and keep her safe. Mrs. Downs?
Oh, no. You leave me alone. You just leave me alone.
Thanks, buddy.
Il voulait vraiment juste se la faire. Mais c'est qui Dance? Ah, il devait être avec nous peut-être. Dégoûté d'avoir recommencé 50 fois la mission là chez les cannibales.
How you get on?
Okay. Found a girl. Took her home.
Oh,
You and Micah
Ah,
find
mais j'ai mis un
anything?
point. À chaque fois, je mets un
I
point
think
là où
maybe.
on
I found
on
our old
emménage
friend
de
Mr.
nouveau.
Cornwall.
You did?
Yeah, he's buying a stake in the mine in Annisburg.
Relentlessly ambitious fella, isn't he?
Mike and I'll sniff about, see if he knows we're here, and exactly what his plans are.
So, Dutch, did you miss me?
I found her drunk in Saint Denis.
You're back. How jolly, Miss
It's
O'Shea.
funny, you sack of shit.
Back
Who are
and
you?
drunk.
The Master, the Lord
Molly.
God Almighty.
Calm down.
I won't be ignored. Dutch Vanderlyn, I am him. I ain't her. Or any of your stooges.
Calm
You don't
yourself,
know me nothing.
Miss.
I don't know you nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
I'll spit in your eye. I did. I told them.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I told them and I tell them again. Now I've got God's ear.
You told who what?
Mr. Milton and Mr. Ross about the bank robbery, and I wanted them to kill you.
You did what?
I loved you, you goddamn bastard! Go on,
She's
shoot me!
crazy. She ain't worth it.
You told on me.
Oh,
You
you're not so
betrayed
big now,
me.
are you?
What? Just calm down.
Arthur,
She's a fool. Get her out of here.
you know the
Oh,
rules.
not so big now. Are we, Your Majesty?
Non, là, tu
You
She knew the rules, Arthur. What the hell is wrong with you? Mr. Pearson, Mr. Williamson, get this body out of here and get it burnt.
Okay.
Now get back to work, all of you. Quit your
Ouais, elle est encore
lollygagging.
plus folle que
Get
Dutch.
back to work.
Ça part en couille en vrai, la petite famille là. Ça part vraiment en couille. Leave her alone. Bon, Dutch, voilà, voilà. Pile poil devant toi, on va se raser, on va se faire une petite beauté là. Oula. Mais il est malade, hein, il va mourir, je pense. Ça fait plusieurs fois qu'il tousse et tout. Je pense qu'il a vraiment un truc. Et ouais, territoire. Oui, c'est cancer dans la tête, terminé avec une précision d'au moins 4 à 5. Genre, j'ai utilisé un objet de soin. Bon.
You think I wanted to shoot her? Seemed to like it. I saw that beady look
Taillé.
in your eyes.
Tout.
You're drunk again, and you're a fucking murderer. She broke the rules. She did no such thing. She was in love. You sour-faced old crow. Goddamn you, murderer!
Ça fait un peu Hitler, ça. Ça, c'est bon. Allez. À chaque fois, il faut faire un petit reset. Alors, je vais juste faire ça. Les nouveaux choses sont... Charge de sécurité. Oh, comment il va, lui? Ça fait
It'll be
longtemps.
okay, Strauss.
Okay.
Don't get Dutch any more worked up than he already is.
I don't know what you mean.
Yes,
Listen
you
to me.
do.
Personne t'écoute. Par contre, ouais, je vais retourner là. Parce que je sens qu'il peut y avoir des choses à prendre. Alors, tu vois, un paquet de cartes, on peut pas le prendre. Y'a rien ici, y'a rien. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Ok, mais je pense que ça va être plus être au fond. Non. C'est quoi qui fait ce bruit? Ok. RS. C'est quoi là? Ok, c'est juste un petit passage. Mais c'est quoi qui fait tout ce bruit là? Ah, c'est là où on va découvrir peut-être un petit truc. Ah, y'a quoi? Hop là, y'a rien, rien. Ouh. Alors. C'est qui le roi maintenant? Y'a rien, hein? Non, regarde. Ah, voilà. On va retrouver quoi, un cadavre? Bracelet. Je savais qu'il y avait des choses. Et je pense que c'est pas fini. Là on peut pas. Là non plus, là non plus. Je prends mon temps. Là. Alors là. Là si je trouve pas 3 millions. Ça va me faire sortir de la grotte je pense juste, non? Où est-ce qu'on atterrit? Ah. Ah bon, c'est la prochaine mission alors. Hein. Ah, cueillir. Bon, c'est la prochaine mission. Ils vont nous faire un guet-apens ici, chez nous. On va devoir sortir par là. Point à la ligne. Le temps qu'il arrive. On est où déjà? Voilà, on va aller à Saint-Denis, là où on est bien recherché. Là où on peut même pas mettre les pieds, où on a 300... Hein? C'est quoi ce bruit? C'est quoi ce bruit? Ah oui merde, je suis con. Désolé. Race. Il veut pas venir. Trop chiant. À proximité du camp. Ah ouais, c'est vrai que c'est juste là. On va faire un petit recap là. Enfin, un petit reset.
So, here we are.
I like what you done with the place.
Hello, Abigail.
How you doing?
Poor Martin. I don't believe it. Hi there.
Morning.
Arthur?
Elle est grosse elle en fait. Allez, c'est parti. Mais je viens de capter que... Non. Non plus.
Yeah.
Là. Ça. Ah si, j'ai toutes mes armes presque. Ouais, j'ai toutes mes armes là, je peux les utiliser. munitions qu'on n'a pas.
Us Murphys, we share everything. You gonna die here, boy. Heels. Everything is ours. Pull back already.
Ils sont où?
We're gonna eat you raw. Ah, no!
Mais qui êtes-vous? Wesh, le jeu. Hello? Ça serait cool de savoir où ils sont.
Oh, you running for real now?
Wesh, le piège de baiser. Oh, le piège de fou. Il est où ce connard? Mais c'est qui eux? Je pense que c'était les fous là. Ah c'est eux hein. Ils allaient me manger tout cru. En fait y a pas de... Enfin je comprends pas. En gros si je me fais défoncer, mais si je les tue y a pas de récompense. Genre tant pis, t'es mort et ils te volent tout ton argent. Et c'est fini. Par contre ça c'est malin. Franchement. Hop. Sauge de colibri. Il est où l'autre? Voilà, il est là. Ouais, au moment où je dis ça fait longtemps que je me suis pas fait
Time to go, boy.
qu'on m'a pas tendu un piège, et ben voilà.
Hey, mister.
Ah mais c'est également les fous là, non? J'ai rien tenté là. Hein. Je sais pas où on est mais ça me hype pas trop là. Avant de retourner à San... Oula. Là je le sens pas là.
Hey there, mister. Go.
Là il y a une mission là-bas, mission secondaire. Mais ouais, retourner à Saint-Denis alors qu'on a vraiment une prime de 3 millions. On va avoir tous les flics au cul. Ou s'ils sont intelligents, vu qu'on est parti sur l'île et tout ça, eh ben, ça sera fait en mode ils nous reconnaissent plus ou ils nous ont oubliés et tout ça.
Hi there, mister. Hey, partner.
Hop, voilà, allez.
Yeah.
Alors je me rappelle plus qui on va voir là, par contre. Saint-Denis, Marie, je sais pas ce qu'elle devient. Marie. Plus trop de nouvelles.
Hey there.
your distance.
Enemies of
Holy Moses!
Bah de rien. De rien surtout. Je comprends pas ces trucs. Aidez-moi, aidez-moi. Et après... Et on revient là. On a 3000... Oh. Vraiment, je sais pas quoi. Là, tu vois, c'est des missions comme ça, je comprends pas. Aidez-moi, aidez-moi, tu tues. Tu les tues avant qu'il tue le mec qui dit aidez-moi. Et après il se part en courant en mode il a peur. Je vais vriller. Ça sert strictement à rien. Je vais te laisser mourir les prochaines fois et basta. Mais je comprends pas en tout cas.
Hey there, mister. How there, mister.
Ils veulent plus être amis avec moi?
Hey,
Ah
partner.
voilà.
Damn, heat rash is killing.
Hey there.
Quit wasting my time, you bleeding fool.
Hi there.
Monsieur.
How there, mister.
Ah oui, c'est vrai, merde. Ça veut dire quoi ça? Ah, c'est juste que ça augmente.
Hey, partner.
How do you do, sir?
How are you, ma'am?
Hello
Hey, mister. Hey there, partner.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hey, mister. How you doing, friend?
Oula. Oula. Crache du sang. Qu'est-ce qui m'arrive là? C'est une mise en scène ou...
Mister, are you okay? Mister,
Alors,
are you okay?
on arrive dans la ville où on a braqué la banque
Are you okay,
et
mister?
on fait tout un cinéma.
Mister, you don't look so good. Let's get you to a doctor.
Je pense que c'était
Come on,
fait
it's
exprès.
not far. Just down the street here.
C'est un piège.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Crache du sang et ça c'est fini en vrai. Bon, fin du jeu. C'était bien sympathique.
Nearly there, just around this corner. Now you head in there, friend. Go on.
Je vais m'évanouir dedans. Bonjour.
Can I help you?
I need a doctor.
Oh, just 1 second, sir.
Come in, pal. Come in.
Mon ami. Ah. J'arrive. Bonjour monsieur. Merci beaucoup.
Mister, I need some help.
And so it seems. And that's Dr. Mister to you?
I'm sorry.
I was joking. Look, friend, I don't mean nothing, but you got money? I mean, before I start treating you, 'cause I got a family.
I understand. Here, that do.
Sure. Thank you. Now, what's wrong? I mean, what appear to be the symptoms?
Well, I think you've heard them. I'm coughing.
Is there any blood?
Oui.
Sometimes.
Okay, now here. Breathe. Again.
Vous avez un cancer, monsieur.
Let me see your tongue. Say ah.
What is it?
Il est
It's
dégoûté.
not good news.
I guess that.
Lâche ma peau.
You got tuberculosis. Really sorry for you, son. It's a hell of a thing.
What you mean?
You're real sick. It's a progressive disease, and you'll be... Now, the best thing is rest, and getting somewhere warm and dry, and taking it easy. Now, is that possible?
Sure, I can just take my winters in my country club in California. No, it's not possible.
Well, like I said, I'm real sorry.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, wait. Let me get you a little bit more energy today.
Après, tuberculose, ouais, bon, à l'époque, ça se guérissait pas trop. Mais maintenant, ça se guérit, ouais. Moins 10 €. Je vais pas jouer à H24 comme ça.
We can't change what's done. We can only move on.
Wesh.
You have it in you, I can tell.
Il va vraiment mourir. Mais pas comme ça. C'est trop nul, il faut qu'il meure en héros. En mode le gros braquage, il sauve tout le monde, je sais pas moi.
He didn't have a choice. He was good and he did good. I understand if you don't want to help me, but I think of you
Ah
often.
ouais, c'est Marie qui l'a. C'est toujours les femmes, hein. En vrai. Wesh. Alors là. Je vais le suivre. Petite malade, vous ne pourrez consommer que... Mais c'est nul, comment je fais pour plus être malade? Ah, laisse. Bah tiens.
Any problems coming in?
Nah.
Ah,
Guess
c'est
they know
elle.
now we ain't in the city.
Who, Mr. Milton's friends?
Yeah, they've had patrols out ever since you boys disappeared. Well, at least you're alive.
For now, yeah.
Ouais, bah ouais.
What happened in...
Guama?
yeah.
Nothing nice.
What happened to Dutch? Because he seems...
I don't know. Seems as what began happening in Blackwater began happening years ago, maybe. A slow decline, I guess.
What do you mean?
I ain't quite sure. What happened here?
Ouais, ferme-moi la porte au nez.
I started gathering people up as best I could after you boys left. And John, you know that part.
I do.
And Hosea?
So that too.
Hell, we got Lenny's body out as well. Bribed the morgue and buried them together. Follow me.
Ouais, je vais te follow. En étant à l'article de la mort, mais je te follow. Ouais, ça sent la fin du coup. Ça sent la fin du jeu.
So, what's your plan here?
Well, I figure before we do anything, we need to make sure John's even still at this prison.
And how do we do that?
We need to get up high enough to get a proper look at the place.
What? It's on an island, ain't it? Unless you're planning on learning how to fly.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. I found us a hot air balloon.
You
Montgolfier.
ain't serious.
Now, the pilot, or whatever you call him, he thinks we're just in it for a lesson. Bit of a tour. He's quite the character. I think you'll like him.
You know, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. You...
Pas sûr que. Ouais.
You really stepped things up, ain't you?
Hey, we didn't know if you was even coming back. Whole thing hit folks real hard. You can see it. Heron's gone falling fully into the bottle. Strauss is a bag of nerves. Swanson, well, Swanson's actually gone and cleaned up his act.
Eh ben.
So I guess it ain't all gone to shit. I'm just happy you
Ouais, elle est là.
boys were able to find us. She a beauty, ain't she?
Elle est trop bien.
From here on the ground, yes.
Mr. Bullard? Mr. Bullard.
Ah, Mrs. Adler! It's good to see you. Good to see you.
This is my friend I told you about, Mr. Morgan.
Ah, yes, Arturo Bullard. At your service, sir. At your service.
Arthur Morgan.
Well, it's a nice, fresh day for flying, sir. A day like today, an Icarus would have made it across the sea. Have you ever flown before, sir?
No.
Oh, it's quite a thing. Quite a thing. Now,
J'ai pas
put
confiance en lui.
these on and hop in.
Well, ain't she coming?
Well, women can't fly, sir. Are you insane?
They can't.
Oh, no, sir. It does terrible damage to them, to their vapors. I thought everyone knew about that. Why, a delicate flower like Mrs. Adler? Heavens above! Or below. Ah,
Where'd you find this guy?
I told you two would get on.
Are you sure about this?
certain, sir. Quite certain. Mrs., let us away. Wish us luck. I've only crashed twice. Now, pull on that rope and hope for the best. Ah!
You boys have fun.
Ouais.
How did you get out of this?
Bon, c'est parti. J'arrive pas à savoir si on est sale ou si on a un
Time to
vitiligo.
catch a few vapors of our own. It's a little overcast, but I'm expecting some good wind once we're high enough. We should still have some decent views over the river. Now, one hates to be coarse, but on the subject of ablutions, liquids over the side, solids, do your utmost to levy the situation until we land.
Okay, Mr. Bullard.
I had a client once who fell foul to a rotten oyster on the ascent. A decidedly harrowing experience for all involved. Keep going, sir! We need to get up above the clouds. It really is
stylé, en vrai.
stunning up there. You'll have seen nothing like it.
Mais il faut vraiment avoir confiance à son montgolfière, je pense.
All right then, let's break through these clouds.
Je peux pas faire plus. Faut faire plus vite. Hein.
Oh. My God.
Yes, heavenly indeed. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Feels like we have a nice westerly wind, so keep her around this height. This particular vessel is state-of-the-art, sir. Imported from Europe. Won't find more than a couple of these on this side of the pond.
So long as it works. You sure you shouldn't be doing this?
Oh, not at all. A child could operate this with a little supervision. Besides, Mrs. Adler told me you were very keen to learn the ropes. We have plenty of those.
She did she?
Plus en avant, on va se cracher. Déjà qu'on est malade.
Arthur and Arturo. How perfect is this? My mother was a keen student of the Italianate. My brother's called Baldessario, so you could say I got off lightly.
Look, I'm trying to concentrate here.
Pardon. Ouais, quand je fais pour...
Did you breakfast in the city this morning, Mr. Morgan?
Not exactly.
Well, I have a boiled egg in my pocket here that you're very welcome to.
I think I'm all right, thank you. Recalling the ablutions discussion.
Well, just say the word. So, if I may ask, what got you interested in the pursuit of aviation?
I didn't exactly. Mrs.
Ah, mais y a pas la
thought
meuf.
she'd surprise
J'avais capté qu'il y avait pas la meuf.
A very nice woman. And no shrinking violet.
Definitely not.
I prefer slightly more feminine attire on a lady, but variety is the very spice of life, as they say. Or is it, though? Did you know they locked up the man who wrote that in a mental asylum?
I did not, Mr. Bullard.
Whoa there. No need to go any higher. See that building up ahead on the island? That's the infamous Sisika Penitentiary. We shouldn't fly too near to it, though, sir.
Sorry, we're going in for a closer look.
What do you mean? Mr. Morgan, please, this is most irregular.
Well, you want a happy customer, don't you?
Look, this isn't funny now. What on earth are you doing? The guards are bound to spot us.
Calm down. They won't care if we stay high enough. I'm just looking for a friend of mine.
A friend?
Poor bastard has a habit of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. I heard they got him working the fields in a chain gang.
Dear God.
Arrête.
The wind. Well, this is most unusual.
Relax, Mr. Bullard. Here, take over. Keep us well away.
I'll do my best. This filly isn't the easiest to control, you know. Should we, think about heading back? Maybe try looking lower down.
Nope, not there.
This was not the tour I had in mind.
That's not him. Looks like him. It's hard to tell, though. Yep, that's him.
Ah! My God!
What are you doing?
They're shooting at us!
I can see that.
Ascend! Ascend! Oh, my Lord. Oh, the wind speed is picking up. We should stay at this altitude. It's heading northwesterly, so that should take us back to land. Dear God, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Alright, we're in the clear now, Mr. Bullard. Get up.
Good Lord! My heart is pounding! I must say, the specifics of this job were not described to me at all sufficiently.
Well, it's done now.
There's Annesburg.
Sure.
Good Lord! Is that Is that Mrs. Adler?
Where?
Being chased.
Yes. Try and get us near.
Eh ben.
Will there be more trouble, sir?
I expect so.
I'm starting to rather enjoy this.
Hey, Shane! Up there! Shit, they're O'Driscoll's.
Mrs. Adler has a lot to answer for.
Yes, she does.
Show them, Mr. Morgan.
Ah ouais, mais c'est dur, comment on doit faire.
Oh my God! What a day!
Mais ouais, mais... Marrant, mais il est marrant lui. La montgolfière il est pas stable du tout. La montgolfière est vraiment pas stable par contre, pour le coup. Je vais mettre des gros coups de poing dans mon écran.
I'm starting to rather enjoy this.
Y'a pas mieux comme arme? Franchement, non mais vraiment honnêtement.
Hey, Shane! Up there! Shit, they're O'Driscoll's.
Mrs. Adler has a lot to answer for.
Yes, she does.
Oh my God!
With the O'Driscolls right now.
Wow.
Wait till I tell Baldessario about this! What a day!
Just right out here with them.
Dear, that boiled egg feels decidedly scrappled. I think I might need to adjust my feet.
Allez. Plus lent. Plus lent la recharge. Vraiment plus lent la recharge. Voilà, tiens, tiens, c'est dans ta gueule, c'est chiant. Merci pour la montgolfière.
Grab the rope, come on! Grab the rope!
Look out! There's a bridge up ahead!
Okay, I'll come down and get you on the other side.
Lower! I can't reach it! Hold that high! I'm coming!
Est-ce qu'elle vraiment... Et ouais, mais elle peut pas monter cette conne. Je comprends pas là. Ça avance pas aussi. Si ça avance pas, je peux pas monter mais... Les missions où on comprend rien.
Look out! There's a bridge up ahead!
Okay, I'll come down and get you on the other
Dead.
side.
Lower! I can't reach it! Hold that high! I'm coming! Alright, hold it there, Arthur!
Allez, monte. Par contre, ils sont trop nuls en tir comme moi, Cette mission va pas rien.
I think we're gonna crash.
You have a real habit of stating the obvious, Arthur.
Hold on.
Did you break your neck?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Ah, il a pas un vitiligo, il était juste sale.
Damn it, look! There's more of them on the other side. They must have followed us. Get behind something. This ain't over yet. These goddamn O'Driscolls!
You can't leave it for one day?
Just kill these sons of bitches! You ain't goddamn man! Look out! More coming in behind us! God damn it! We got more coming out of the woods there! I'm gonna pay for what you did!
Eh wesh.
You boys are a goddamn joke! God damn you all! Send every last son of a bitch you got! Come on! Let's move up and finish these bastards! You can
Alors,
tell
je comprends pas.
Colin's next. Nearly there! Only a few of them left!
Ça m'énerve.
How many of you does it take, huh?
Ouais, on recherche indéfiniment.
Look at those cowards! Yeah, you run! I'll catch up with you soon enough! Looks like we made it. That'll show them.
The hell is wrong with you?
Mais c'est
I
un bonhomme, elle.
left you an hour ago. You can't stay out of trouble for one goddamn hour. You got that poor bastard killed for his troubles. I kinda liked him.
They got Combe, the government. They got Combe O'Driscoll. They're gonna hang him in Saint Denis.
Hanging. Okay.
He's already been tried twice for murder and found guilty.
Sure, no doubt he'll escape again.
No, he won't, because we're gonna make sure of it.
We have our own problems with the law in case you ain't noticed.
Dutch will want to see him swing.
Sure, Dutch, he wouldn't even help us with Marston. And our situation is really messed up right now. You know how things is.
Bastard's gonna swing. I'm gonna make sure of it.
Closely followed by Marston.
You saw him?
Yes, in the fields.
Okay. Then we go rescue him.
From a state penitentiary?
No. But from the fields? Yes. That we can manage.
It's well guarded.
Guarded, sure, but not behind bars.
No, it's not behind bars.
So, that's how we'll do it. Bust him from his work detail.
I guess.
It's best just the two of us go.
The two of us is all there is, anyhow.
Good, because two is all we'll need. I'll get us a boat, a little one, and we'll sneak in and get him out of there. Meet me at Copperhead Landing. Thank you, Arthur.
Whatever you say,
Bon,
boss.
les missions,
I heard that.
j'enchaîne les missions de merde depuis tout à l'heure. Je suis nul. J'y arrive pas aujourd'hui. Ouais, oui. puissants. Mais ils sont remplis aux as à chaque fois. Hein. Ah mais je me dis c'est quoi ce camp, mais en fait c'est la montgolfière. Je suis bête. Hop, je pense les avoir un peu tout fait. Voilà. On va être puissant. Alors, ouais, désolé. Il est pas. Il est pas là. C'est reparti. Allez. Hop. On va aller sauver John. On va aller sauver John Marston.
You better shut up that pretty mouth, or I'll shut it for you.
Non. Taras.
Get me off this horse!
Pour une fois, il y a peut-être une mission où je vais peut-être réussir.
Sir, please help me out of here.
Il coupe bien le couteau.
Thank the Lord you showed up when you did. Oh, the things he said he'd do to me.
It's all right, ma'am. It's over now.
Thank you. Again.
Okay, fella. Nice folks
Alors,
around here.
je risque ma vie pour sauver quelqu'un juste pour avoir un petit truc de cow-boy. Honnêtement, j'ai juste à faire bonjour à tout le monde et c'est pareil. En soi. Oh, ce cochon. Ah, j'ai juste à dire bonjour à tout le monde, je dis 3 fois bonjour, je gagne un cow-boy. Qui est avec nous?
The thing is, I insist.
Abigail?
Insist all you like. Ain't happening. Arthur, tell her.
Tell her what?
She ain't coming with us to collect her husband.
Abigail, you ain't coming. That's the end of the matter.
See, there you heard him. Now let's go. But nothing. It'll be quicker and easier with just the two of us. Plus, John will be calmer without worrying about you. Ain't complicated.
Well, I ain't the crying sort, but I'm real grateful.
Yeah, we know you are. We'll bring him back to you.
Thank you. Thank you both.
We'll land the boat in the morning when the prisoners come back out to work the fields. The place is surrounded by marshland. Should hopefully give us a bit of cover to move in close enough to find out a spot and look for John.
Then all we gotta do is take out all the guards and row our way out of there. Seems simple enough.
How many times, Marston?
Okay, bring bring us over.
Il est fatigué.
We good? Let's head for that watchtower.
Okay.
Stay low.
I'll deal with him.
Okay, I'll follow you up.
Lui, il va avoir un snipe. Bonjour, monsieur.
Okay. Come on up.
Alors, attends. Je sais pas ce que j'ai laissé. Parce que... Ah, parce que...
All right. Where's John?
Hey, I think I see him. There's a group in front of that barn just to our right.
Oh, yeah. I see 2 guards. Okay, take them out, and let's go get our boy.
Okay.
Wait, shit! I don't think that was John.
Let's go over there and see.
Okay, come on. I think one of those guards was still moving.
Ça va pas être John. C'est ça leur sirène?
Come on, Arthur. Let's keep moving.
Where is he? You see him?
No. You, Mister. You know John Marsden?
He ain't working today. Put the gun down, lady.
No. You put the gun down. Now. Where's John Marston?
He ain't in the work detail today.
Okay, well, I guess we'll go and get him together. Try anything, I'll blow your damn head off. You clear on that?
Yes. Very clear.
Oh, no, you don't.
Come on, partner. Why don't you apologize to the lady for pointing a gun at her?
Excuse me?
I said apologize.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Ain't no harm done.
So, where do we go?
Towards the entrance, I guess.
And who's in charge of this fine establishment?
Jameson, sir.
Jameson who?
No, Mr. Jameson. Heston Jameson.
Is he a nice fella?
He's been quite an exacting boss at times.
I look forward to meeting him.
Mais l'approche la plus nulle en fait.
They're not gonna let you do this.
Well, that's gonna be up to you, my friend.
Oh, les petites danses. Ouais, ouais.
So, you a popular employee, my friend?
Not especially.
Well, I guess we're about to find out.
Come on, march him straight up to the front gate.
You better hope someone in there actually gives a damn about this fool.
Guess we'll see. We're gonna have to shoot our way out of here regardless.
Don't shoot!
Shut up.
Ouais, il est vraiment trop.
Come on.
Okay, friend, be cool now. Just do as I say.
Drop the goddamn guns!
Aim us out! Jameson in!
He's in Saint-Denis. They got Milliken.
Got him and gonna kill him. Unless you bring me John Marston. Right now. You got 1 minute. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3. Milliken, is it?
Yes, sir.
Will you count for me? I got talking to do.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. From 1 or 4,
Oh,
sir?
very funny. No, we must be at 11 by now.
11, 12, 13,
faster.
14, 15, 16, 17.
Now hurry up! Well, this poor fool's gonna get his brains shot out. And over what? For nothing. Milliken, don't stop counting. I can't hear you.
Hurry up and bring that asshole out here, you bastards! Come on!
Don't cry, buddy.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, I know. Hey, John. Hello, you two. Now, no funny business. Well, Mr. Milliken here will stop crying once and for all. Okay, today's your lucky day. Let's go.
Let's clear these and make a run for it! Cover us! Joe, let's move!
Okay, let's go. You ain't getting out of this.
We got you covered, Arthur! Come on! Here's the smoke! Get down!
Been a while, John.
You're telling me? What took you so long?
I'll explain later.
Was that you in the balloon?
Yeah. Believe me, that was my one and only time flying.
Okay, fellas! Time to go! Let's go! Come on!
Look out on the left! Coming from the board!
Okay, go.
Voilà, si on revient. Et il dit ça.
More behind us! Find some cover! That one nearly got no weapons now!
We gotta move! How we getting out of here?
We got a boat! This way! Follow me! Get down! Hold them up so we can get to the boat! Hurry! We need to get to the boat! Let's go!
La mission elle est tendue.
We're running out of time, Arthur!
You always seem to need rescuing, Marston.
Nice to see you, Arthur.
There's some fellas coming here. Don't look too friendly. We best get out of here.
Come on, boys, let's move! I'll rogue. You shoot.
Seriously?
Ah ouais,
Lucky,
sérieux?
you-
Vraiment?
You're a
Mais
better shot.
chiant.
Fine. You just relax and enjoy yourself, John. Leave the real work to them as can still handle it.
Thanks.
Keep them off us!
Turn that boat around, or we will gun you down.
Thanks for the hospitality, boys!
J'ai peut-être trop envie de tirer la tête dans la tête, c'est peut-être pour ça que...
You know, I think I liked you better when you was all trussed up like a prize chicken.
No doubt.
Hurry up! They're gonna be on our tails soon enough if you boys keep wasting time.
Oh, that's us told them.
Hey, Arthur. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Let's go. We should get out of here quick before the law gets wind of this.
So what the hell happened in Saint Denis? Is Abigail all right?
She's fine. Jack is too. She managed to escape when they got Hosea.
Hosea. That still don't seem real, somehow. All them years. Arthur.
Alors, attendez.
He was like family.
Yeah, we lost young Lenny too.
No.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Tu vois, le cheval là, quand il fait comme ça, j'ai envie de le buter.
Did we... What about the money?
Lost somewhere at the bottom of the ocean.
What? How the hell did that happen?
We hit on a boat. It's the only way out of there. The boat went down in a storm and we ended up stranded on an island somewhere near Cuba.
Cuba? Wait, you're gonna have to tell me all this again.
It's a long story, but...
Je comprends pas, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait, le con? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Mais oui, mais je sais pas, moi, j'appuie sur toutes les touches, le cheval il veut pas. C'est pas la manette qui est connectée, non, la manette est pas connectée. Je comprends pas.
It's a long story, but things ain't been good, John.
You're telling me?
We're holed up now in the mountains to the north, near Roanoke Ridge, and some caves there. The Pinkertons caught up with us again, and we had to move.
Yeah, seems Molly ratted us out, the bitch. So she's dead too.
Jesus. Maybe you should have just left me to hang.
And I should warn you, Dutch didn't want us breaking you out. Said it wasn't the right time, so might not be the hero's welcome you're imagining.
So much for no man left behind. I can't stop thinking about this. In the bank, when they grabbed me, he saw it. Felt almost like he had a moment to do something and didn't.
Dutch ain't himself right now.
Ouais.
Or maybe he just ain't who we thought he was.
Guess we don't need to worry about who's his favorite no more.
Huh. Guess not.
Alors là, si j'ai pas la mission en or, je sais pas ce que je fais.
You brought him back to me.
We told you we would.
John! What are you doing here?
Wesh.
Good to see you too, partner.
I meant I hadn't sent for you yet.
I went.
But I said that.
Yeah, I know what you said. I felt different.
Is that so?
Yes.
And when Spring and John brings the law down on all of us, what then, Arthur?
Well, I guess we'll have another fight on our hands.
Loyalty, Arthur, it ain't. I had a goddamn plan! John.
Il a pété le plomb.
John.
John, retourne là-bas, en prison.
You are my brother. You are my son. I was coming for you.
They was talking of hanging me, Dutch.
They was talking. They was talking. And now they may come and hang us all.
Mika, il est avec lui. Il le voit pas que Arthur est malade, je comprends pas. Dutch, aucune reconnaissance. Hein. Ce chien. J'ai pas peur de le dire. On va le buter à la fin. J'ai que ça en tête. Hein.
Arthur!
Arthur!
Oh, sorry. I was miles away, thinking of, I don't know.
Dutch said to tell you he and Mike have gone to Annisburg. Something about Mr. Cornwall.
Cornwall. Okay. Thanks, Mary Beth.
Merci, Marie-Beth. Heard. Voilà. Qu'est-ce que j'ai pas pu faire? Termine la mission en moins de 9 minutes. Tuer les 2 gardiens d'un tir dans pleine tête depuis le Mirador. Après, s'ils me le disent pas avant, là. Je peux pas savoir, moi. Où est la boîte aux lettres, là? Tout à l'heure, je vois qu'elle s'active. Bonjour.
Reverend.
Lui, il est plus... Ah oui, c'est vrai que... Mais lui, il est plus bourré à chaque fois. Je crois qu'il a arrêté l'alcool. Alors, hop. Allez, un petit guet-apens. Pas là maintenant, mais peut-être un peu après. Je vais vriller. Le cheval, je vais le vendre à force. C'est bon, il m'a saoulé. Ah mais j'ai les lunettes là. C'est une lunette de Marie. Alors là je fonce quand c'est Marie. Hein. Doucement. Ah j'ai une lettre, je préfère y aller.
Arthur.
Where's Kane? Miss Grimshaw, have you seen Kane? No, son, sorry I haven't. I'm sure he'll turn up, though. He's a wanderer.
Dear sir, you were once very kind to Beau and myself, and it pains me to ask you to show us further kindness. But I have nowhere else to turn, and nobody else upon whom I can impose. I will, of course, pay you handsomely for your troubles. My family have turned quite mad and are threatening to send me away to stop my work, which they say is disgracing them. As if their history of absolute moral depravity, utter debauchery, and perpetual drunkenness did not disgrace them enough. I must escape, yet I am kept prisoner here. Can you help? Most days I am to be found at the cabins on the plantation. The main house and all it stood for are thankfully no more. Yours faithfully, Penelope Braithwaite.
Oui, mais bon, Pénélope, pas maintenant. J'ai vraiment pas que ça à foutre. Hein.
Arthur?
Who's that a-coming? Here, piggy piggy!
Hey! Hey, who are you?
Bah ouais. Mais c'est trop marrant ça. C'est trop marrant. Je meurs de rire à chaque fois. Je suis choc barre. On est marre. Oui, oui. Putain, ils arrivent. Et tu veux que je me cache où en fait? Il faut que je me barre au galop et je leur tire dessus, c'est ça? Je comprends pas. Moins 150, bon. Ouais, ils se sont régalés. Ils se sont régalés. Vous avez atteint votre premier niveau. Mais mange Arthur, mais qu'est-ce que tu fais là? Ah ouais, salutations. je vrille, j'ai le poing serré là. Ah ouais, mais on est à côté des cannibales là. Ils te mettent un coup, c'est fini. Un coup de couteau, c'est finito. Donc il faut rester sur son cheval et... Alors tu vois... Ah, j'allais dire un truc, mais non, c'est bon, j'ai rien dit. Ah non, si. Ils auraient été réalistes, ils auraient laissé le chariot. Bon, ça. Hop, hop. Voilà, ça pareil. Hop.
Hi there, mister.
Que je les recroise pas, hein. Je fais péter une dynamite dans leur gueule. Juste t'as rien, t'as même pas un endroit pour te planquer ou t'abriter et te mettre à couvert. Allez. Rechercher mort ou vif ici. Meredith. Alors, attends. Parce que là, ce serait... On va faire ça. Voilà.
Was you followed? No. Was you followed? I said no.
Okay.
What is your problem?
What is your problem, partner? You don't look so good.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me. I'm fit as a fiddle.
And not inside you ain't.
I'm just a realist, friend.
Micah reckons there's a rat.
Oh, does he? On what evidence?
He's only back a minute. Pinkerton show up.
We've been on the run since you two fools went crazy in Blackwater. We barely escaped with our lives in
C'est vrai qu'à chaque fois ils savent nous retrouver.
Well, Molly clearly talked, but who else?
Maybe we pushed things too hard. Maybe time for folks like us is past. We don't need a rat. We got sloppier than the town drunk, and they know who we are, and where we are, and what we're doing.
Way I see it, best thing we can do is let the week go. Move on, get our money, start over.
That ain't happening.
Well, something's gotta happen, and fast. Otherwise, Cornwall, them Pinkertons, they've got us penned in here, and ain't none of them stopping.
Well, Cornwall's why we're here. Shall we, Dutch?
Yeah, it's time to go. Let's head to the river.
Oh, leave Cornwall alone. He ain't... We need money, but revenge, now?
Of course it's for money.
Come on, Arthur.
This better not be no stupid revenge mission, Dutch. It ain't worth it.
Don't be ridiculous.
Oh, Arthur, it's just a simple social call.
Ils sont devenus fous. Je ne les reconnais plus. Qui sont-ils? On va y aller au ralenti là sur les rails.
Say to him that needs to be said.
He has been hunting us since Valentine. He is the reason that Hosea got killed. His sugar business is destroying the people of Guarma. This town, Arthur, it's his town. He bought it just to destroy these folks. His sugar, his oil, his law.
These are wrongs that you can't right, Dutch. We're wanted men.
So why did you go for John against my wishes?
I didn't want him hanged.
Quoi, les chevaux et carburant.
We're gonna cut a deal, Arthur.
What are you talking about?
We want out, and Cornwall wants us to stop robbing him, and we all know his money is what's keeping the Pinkertons on our tail. He's America, Arthur, and I want out, and he won't let us go.
This ain't making a lot of sense, Dutch.
It will, son. It will. A deal, some noise, and then we're gone.
Bah si, après...
Cornwall's boat is due in soon.
Ouais, ouais, c'est ce que je veux dire,
down
à part
here
si on
behind
bateau.
these crates. Arthur, get behind something before you're spotted. Arthur, I said get yourself hidden.
Ah ouais, mais de ce côté, connard. Dis-le. Je sais qu'il est arrivé de l'autre côté.
I want to thank you for your hospitality, Mr. Cornwall.
This was a business meeting, Mr. Milton. We are not friends.
Oh,
I have
Hamilton.
spent a considerable fortune with your agency, and still nothing. This Vanderlyn robs me and laughs at me. I asked for the best. I paid for the best.
We are very close, Mr. Cornwall. I know you've heard this before.
Chance, sir. Send a telegram to Goldberg in New York. Tell him I won't borrow it more than 3.2%. Sorry, no, I have heard it before. And get that army man to pay his portage charge.
Yes, sir.
We are doing all we can within the
Mais c'est celui
confines
qui
of the
était
law.
avec...
The law? I think we both know
Avec la
what you
vieille, là,
can
qu'on a
do
détruit
with
le-
your law. Find
la maison
me
et tout.
Dutch Vanderlyn. Bring him here. And leave the laws to them as need them. Good day, sir.
Come along, Mr. Ross. We have work to do.
Mr. Didsbury. Mr. Cornwall.
Now listen up, Didsbury. What's all this about strikes? I bought into this mine because of mismanagement, and I intend to make it a success no matter what the cost.
It's the wages. Folk feel
Folk
that you...
feel? Business doesn't give two figs about feelings, sir, not two figs. It's a
pense que si la
nonsense
meuf
that
qui
will
mise
bring
à
a
pourquoi-
plague on both our houses.
Perhaps there is a plague on your house already, Mr. Cornwall.
What do you want, sir?
I'm not quite sure just yet.
Your impudence will be your undoing, sir.
I'm undone already. Even my best friend here, he thinks I'm crazy. And like this poor fellow you are talking to, my feelings are hurt.
You robbed me, sir.
And you robbed him. Funny world.
You show a criminal's grasp of sophistry, sir. I did no such thing.
You kill. I kill. You rob. I rob. Only difference I can see is I choose whom I kill and rob, and you destroy everything in your path.
I've heard just about enough.
I'll tell you what. You give me this ship, $10,000, and safe passage out of here, I'll let you live.
I'll do no such thing.
You sure? Good. I prefer it this way. You've lost your mind! Noise, Arthur! Noise!
You make
Oh, shit! Pinkertons! What the hell have you done, Dutch?
Ouais, attendez, parce que...
Come on! Mike is going after those papers. Let's find him and get out of here. Kill that bastard!
for this, Morgan?
Shut the hell up! Up ahead! There's more of them! This way! Come on! Stay with me, Arthur! Arthur, come on! Let's go! Let's go!
You getting tired back there, Morgan?
This wasn't a revenge mission. It wasn't. We got what we came for. Those papers.
Finally putting that bastard Cornwall out of business for good.
Did you put Dutch up to this?
Me? I just follow orders, Morgan.
More down here. Gun them down. And let's get the hell out of this place. Shoot that oil wagon. Come on. We can take the horses from that coach. Let's go.
Well, at least we tried talking it out.
Boys, lost your minds. Oh, I felt a lot of guilt in this life, Arthur. I've killed too often and poorly, but not this time, son. Come on. All right, let's head for the hills, boys. They're trying to block us off. Go right.
Look out! We got more ahead! On the left! Floor the bastards! Ah!
C'est marrant. Allez, avance. Je peux pas avancer.
They're trying to cut us off again.
Go left! Lose them through the river!
Look out, fellas. They're still coming.
Shoot the bastards!
Ouais, mais en fait. Je peux pas avancer. Et en fait, il faudrait un guidage automatique.
Now, baby.
Faudrait qu'il me guide automatiquement. Parce que je peux pas tirer derrière, devant, essayer de vesquer les arbres et tout.
You all okay?
Interesting social call. Oh, don't play dumb and superior at the same time, Morgan. We all knew, sooner or later, Cornwall had to go.
Let me see them papers. It's more attention we don't need. Feels like the whole world's closing in on us. Dutch, it won't be long before they find where we're hiding out now. Especially as we ain't exactly hiding out. We just need a distraction. Buy us some time. It looks like Mr. Cornwall's company has signed a railroad contract with the army. And they're also moving dynamite down from, well, the Annesburg mines to Saint Denis to resell. And there's bonds at his oil factory. Maybe there's a way to get them off our back and get the money that we need. Micah, you look into this dynamite. Take Bill, I guess. Arthur, you go too. We are gonna need a lot of it. And Micah, we need to talk. Figure out some things.
Of course, boss.
Figure out what? The plan. Getting out of here. Nothing's changed.
It hasn't, huh? There's an old house west of Van Horn. Meet me there when you can, Blacklung.
Let's split up. We'll meet up back at camp. Yeah. This is crazy.
Visite de courtoisie, bah oui. Allez. Après avoir tué avec un or, j'ai né les deux chevaux. Ok, bon. Nickel, ouais. Enfin nickel. La map est grande, je sens qu'il y a tout ça encore à voir. Là, Blackwater, c'est parti. On a déjà fait un peu la plupart des choses. Les points. En fait, je comprends pas ce que c'est les points. Ah, c'est juste des lieux de ville. Genre. Ok. Ça indique la ville. Allez, on est à... Ouais, ça a pas trop changé.